joining me again. And this video, I'm going to be using this blank for, I think it's the July challenge of the YouTube Cross Channel Challenge 2021, which is shrink. It's to make something miniature. June's, I believe, was a bandsaw box. I'm not going to be able to do that one yet, so I don't have any wood for that. Not the right shape anyway. Regardless, this one is going to be shrink, and this is a piece of cherry I've had for probably 8 or 9 years. It had a big crack. I just didn't know what to do with it. Been sitting on the shelf for years, so I filled it with some red epoxy with some glitter in it. I don't know if that's coming through or not. Anyway, we're gonna make a small vase out of it and see how it turns out. So, stick around. Alright, so I forgot to mention that Ruth from Butch and Braces is the one that came up with this month's challenge of shrink. So I'll leave a link to her YouTube channel down below. And I added it. I recorded this part before, but for some reason the file's corrupted, so that's why I'm on my third change of clothes for this video. Didn't really take me that long to do this one. Regardless, whatever. Go check out Ruth's channel, and you'll like what you see. She's got some good stuff. So I've sanded this up to 400. I'm going to put some denatured alcohol on it, clean that off, and do some sanding sealer. Let's see what it's going to look like. Yeah, not too bad. I would like to have been able to hollow it out a little more so light would shine through there and you could see through better, but it's too small. It's not as tiny as some people have made, but small for me. Alright, I'm gonna put a few coats of sanding sealer on here, and then I'll bring you back after that. Okay, so I had put about 3 or 4 coats of sanding sealer on there, and I kind of scrubbed it with this to get the little bumps and nibs off. So next we're gonna go with some Abrasive sanding paste. Nice. I think I'm pretty happy with that the way it is, but I'm still going to put some of the polishing paste on it. Can't really see through it like I wanted, but I don't know if it's coming through on the camera, but you can see some of the glitter flakes in there. Kind of see through there. Yeah, anyway. I'm going to go with some Axe Polish and Restoring Paste, shine it up some. Yeah. Very nice. Clean that up. I'll clean that up. I'll be back. All right, here we go. Here it is. I didn't put my brand in there because it's a little bit too small for it. But I know it's not tiny like some guys have made, but it's a lot smaller than what I'm used to making. Okay, well, I couldn't just leave it like that because that's not really, I don't think that really fits the intent of the challenge to be shrunk. I mean, it's small, but so I got this piece of cherry from the same tree. Let's actually make something small. Okay, 2 coats of sanding sealer, and I sanded it to 400. Now, use some Abrasive sanding paste. Yeah, I got way too much. Alright, now we're going to shine it up with some wax polishing paste. And again, way too much. Doesn't take much of this. I think it looks pretty good. Alright, well, I think this one fits closer to the intent. I couldn't just leave it, you know. Yeah, it's small, but I think this is closer. I don't think I could have got it much smaller with the tools I have, getting in the curve there. But anyway, smaller sibling to the other one. I'll put pictures of both of them at the end. And again, thanks for watching. If you're a subscriber, so appreciated. If you're not, well, thanks for watching anyway, especially if you stuck around this long. Thanks for your support. I hope you guys have a blessed day and stay safe out there. See ya.